So here we are inside of the SV SEO Manager, and let's just give you a kind of quick walk around to refresh you and show you around the software. So overall, we have our dashboard here, which can just show you a bunch of analytics and data all in one single view, from your keyword rankings, your average ranking, the progress you're making on your SEO engine tasks, so the tasks that you actually should be completing and working on according to the software. Some previews will show up here, your website stats, website visits, your domain authority, clicks, backlinks, local keyword rankings, so you can see how it's ranking on the maps and if you've improved or declined. You can see new Google reviews, map reviews, search views, and more. So this is once again just kind of a complete overview of different things going on within the software. As we can see, you can see that we have new Google reviews. So we could jump through and go to each one of these sections to dive into each of kind of like the topic on what it's talking about. But let's say there's new Google reviews. We can click see more, and what it's going to do, it's actually going to take us to the local listing manager, the reviews section. It's going to take us to this page right here. And you can obviously come in here and see that you have new reviews. And what it'll do, it'll show that you have 2 new reviews, or how many ever reviews you have will show up right here. And you can actually click on it and it'll pull it up right here. And you can come out and actually type out your Google review response right here. And it'll submit and make that response on Google. So all of your reviews you can manage right within here. Outside of that, if you click into Listing Manager, you can actually come in and see the full Google Business Profile listing that you have. So here we have We Auto, and you can come in and actually update or add all of the information that you may not already have for your Google Business Profile. Once you add it here and click Save, it'll publish to your Google Business Profile. You can also come in and add common FAQ questions and then answer those questions, and this is something we highly recommend doing. So ask a question and then go answer the question. You can also upload different photos and customer medias directly to your Google Business Profile right within the Socialverse software. You can see posts, directories, your local actions on what to do for your Google Business Profile. You can see the performance. You can also see your local rankings. So the next biggest tab, and one of the biggest tabs to kind of look at, are these 3 tabs within the Socialverse platform. So we basically have under strategy our keyword research tool. And under here, we can find new keywords, we can add new keywords, we can see suggested keywords, we can add competitors to see their keywords. And what it's going to do is you're going to see all of this data on the search volume, the difficulty for ranking, the source of it, the keyword, and you're going to essentially be able to pick out the keywords that you want to add. Once you find a new keyword, let's say it is auto car detailing near me, you would just basically click the plus, and then this little button will come up called Save Keywords, and all you have to do is save it then. Once you do that, you can actually move forward into strategy and go to Keyword Sitemap. With your Keyword Sitemap, you can actually assign those keywords to specific pages on your website. And at different times, it'll actually tell you, hey, this is ranking 32 for this URL, which is kind of your home URL. Sometimes you'll have a red link in here or a gold star next to these. And what that means is it's actually high ranking for a specific URL, and it tells you what URL to assign that keyword to. Also, under strategy, you can now take those keywords that you just created and write professional articles off of it using AI, all right within Socialverse. So you can select whatever keyword you want to have, or you can add a new keyword to basically write new articles. Once you find an article that you want to have written, all you do is add it to your scrapboard. And then once you've added it to your scrapboard, you can come in here and actually go about creating that article. All you have to do is click the content wizard. What this will automatically do is generate an article for that title, and then all you have to do is copy and paste it and go publish it to your website. Or what we recommend doing is obviously taking that and publishing it somewhere that you can refine it and add to it and add additional call to actions to make it your own article, and then upload it to your website. Once you've actually ran the content wizard and posted that article, you can come back and click mark as written and tie the new URL on your live website to that article title. Also within here, you can see your competitor analysis, so you can connect different competitors to the Socialverse software just to see their rankings, their page, their backlinks, their history, kind of more data on your competitors all right within Socialverse. The on-site optimizer, we're not going to get into too much right here, but basically it'll help make website SEO changes automatically for you by installing some code onto your website. The biggest tab to look at is the SEO engine actions within the Socialverse software. So inside of actions, you're essentially going to see a complete overview of platform actions and local SEO engine actions and content marketing actions and keyword actions. So all of these different actions in here to take to improve your business's SEO rankings for your website and your brand online. So under keyword actions, you can see that it has, hey, you haven't assigned a dedicated page on your website for the keyword auto detailing. So it's going to tell you what you need to do, why it's important, and actually how to do it for your website. It basically says it's time to improve your ranking, add your keywords to a meta description on your website, what you need to do, why it's important, and how to do it. Once you do these tasks, you come in here and complete the action, and this progress bar will move up. And as you're going through and making all of these changes, adding new keywords, completing actions, what this will do is this will refresh and continue to add new SEO engine actions to take to keep improving your SEO rankings. So once again, this is just kind of like one of the biggest tabs to look at is the SEO engine actions. And it just always has different tasks that you can come in here and actually complete to start improving your SEO rankings. Also within the Socialverse platform, you can see your backlinks, your competitor opportunities, your backlink health. You can come in here and see a report, which see all of your overall traffic, your keyword tracker. You can do a keyword scan. You can build a monthly report that will deliver to you. And then also you have the help center, which is the knowledge base where you can access different documents on learning SEO, how to use the platform, as well as the academy. The academy is a big one, guys, because within the academy, you can actually come and start to learn SEO. So how Google works, SEO fundamentals, the SEO strategy, backlinks, local SEO, reporting analytics, and more. We also recommend you always checking out the Socialverse Help Center, which is just at socialverse.com/help center to access additional resources, videos, and articles to help you out. If you have any questions, just let us know.